We are working on GMetrix PowerPoint Project Review 2. We're in the part of the project called Best Ways to Start Slide. We'll go ahead and select the slide called Best Ways to Start before we begin. Our first task wants us to go ahead and change the slide layout to to content. With that slide selected, we're in the Home tab, Slides group. We'll click the Layout drop down here, and we'll select to content. We'll go ahead and check that we completed that task. This task wants us to go ahead and insert some smart art in the right content box. We'll go ahead and click in here, and what we want to do is select this little button called Insert a Smart Art Graphic. In this section, we want to go ahead and select Relationship, and what we're looking for is the counterbalance arrows. If you're not sure, make sure you hover before you select it and click OK. It's going to have us insert some text, so to do that, I'm going to go ahead and click this little button here to open the text box, to open the text pane. Our first bullet is going to be Good Marketing, and our second bullet is going to be Great Sales. I'll go ahead and close the text pane. It tells us to change the height and the width. Now I want to caution you, right now I have this element in the smart art selected, and that's only going to make the changes to this. I want the whole smart art to change. So I'm going to go ahead and click in this clear section to select it all, or you can click this line here to do that. We are on the Smart Art Tools Format tab. In the size group, we'll go ahead and change the height and the width. And it tells us to go ahead and change the style to Brick Scene. So we'll go to the Design tab. We're in the Smart Art Styles group, and we're looking for Brick Scene. It's this one, so we'll go ahead and click that. And we'll check that we completed this task. This task wants us to apply the teeter animation to this smart art. So we'll go to the Animation tab here at the top. We're in the Animations group. We want to click this More drop down. And what we want to select here is teeter. And we'll check that we completed that task.